There's a tree in the middle of all this concrete that everyone's been talking about. Singapore has trees everywhere, but this one holds a secret. A story of new life, quietly unfolding in a place where almost no one stops to look. Who would have imagined that in this ordinary tree, inside this little hole, something so fragile and full of promise is quietly waiting to take its place in the world? I wanted to see it with my own eyes. I was not really sure what I should be expecting to see, but I went to look for it. Among car parks and construction noise, a sound you wouldn't expect: the high-pitched calls of parrots. Red-breasted Parakeets have chosen this tree in a parking lot next to a noisy construction site. To raise their chicks. Most parrots never build nests of their own. Instead, they search for hollows already shaped by nature. In the forest, storms, time, and woodpeckers carve out these precious shelters. But in a city, they are rare and fiercely contested. When you find a hollow this perfect, you don't hesitate. You claim it and you build your home, no matter what's around. And not too long ago, 4 tiny chicks hatched inside. Now, only 2 remain. And it's a matter of days before they fledge and start their own new lives. This hollow is trusted ground. The same pair used it last year. Because for parrots, a safe home is worth returning to again and again. Red-breasted parakeets are not native from Singapore. They were introduced as pets in the 1940s and escaped or were released into the wild. In their native forests, from northern India to Indochina, they would choose old tall trees with deep hollows. Here in Singapore, they have learned to settle for roadside trees, city parks, even the cracks of buildings. Whatever it takes to give the next generation a chance. Now, they are considered an invasive species in the country. Yet, they have captured the hearts of many people. Who can resist these cute little beaks sticking out of the hole? The chicks are curious about what's outside, but for now, they stay in the safety of their wooden window. They clean their beaks, they stretch, they listen. This hole is the entire world. Every shadow, every sound is a mystery. As the chicks grow older, feedings get less frequent. I didn't know how long I'd have to wait, or if I would get to see it at all. The chicks too, they wait, they listen. And when the time is right, with one small call, the mother announces herself. The chicks reply excitedly because they know what's coming. Each chick's call is slightly different, just enough for the parents to recognize them instantly, even in the chaos of the city. And then, seemingly appearing from nowhere, she arrives with food. In just a few seconds, the parent delivers a meal, a crop full of food passed gently from beak to beak. The chicks can't crack hard seeds yet, so the food comes softer, carried safely in the parent's crop, like a secret pantry. It's quick, gentle, and gone in an instant. But rich enough to keep the chicks growing stronger every day. One perfect moment, hidden in the noise of the city. They've done this countless times, and soon it will be the last. But don't think they just leave their chicks alone all day between feeding times. These are dedicated parents, always around, always watching. They also take turns to feed the chicks. The father guards the entrance of the nest for 30-45 minutes at a time, barely moving, watching, preening, sometimes even dozing off in the tropical heat. His stillness keeps danger at bay and rushes the chicks inside. He's easy to recognize by his bright orange beak. The mother's beak is black. And sometimes, between their duties, they share a curious ritual. Are they talking to their chicks, to others in the flock? A message only parrots understand. The chicks are growing restless now. Soon, one bold leap will take them to a nearby branch, into a wider world of trees, traffic, and dangers. A world where they still have so much to learn. They will join the large flocks, hundreds of parakeets gathering every evening at sunset, covering entire trees, every leaf replaced with feathers. It's a noisy, chaotic world, and these two will soon be part of it. In the middle of the concrete jungle, two tiny parakeets are preparing to take flight. Humans are building all around, but they are building their own lives in the middle. Because even in the noisiest corner of a city, nature always finds a way to be heard. It makes you wonder how many other hidden lives unfold quietly around us, even where we are too busy to notice.